The stock market is rigged. Nvidia, April 19th, 2024, one of the craziest sell-offs we've ever seen. Some of the biggest gains we've ever seen. And honestly, one of the easiest sessions we've ever seen, where the biggest mistake you could have made is taking a 100% gain that goes to 3, 4, 5, 14,000%. See it right here. Remember, get a free account, Rigged AI, check out all of the alerts, and you can see and click through all of these. But one contract of these 3 bouncing bears here at 1058 and at the open, you're turning $1,413 into $19,373. Now that wasn't even the easiest, because let's not pretend, hey, we can just hold the entire session. We have diamond hands. The crazy thing is, when we look at the rest of the session and the alerts, these are absolutely perfect. Never in drawdown. You never get a bounce. It never looks like it's going higher. And you're turning $1,285 into $12,372. This is coming in at 1343. 2 hours and 17 minutes, and you're getting 970%. That is ridiculous. That is markets. Wall Street is going to crush as many people as possible. And Friday, April 19th is probably the best example. Nvidia pumped up all week, and then they just totally nuked it. One of the funniest thing is, you look here at the open, 831.74. We close 762.05. What is that good for? That is good for an intraday move of minus 69.69. That's funny. They could have been anything. $69.69 in one session. Let's review. There's a lot of crazy things that happen, and everything matched rigged strategy perfectly. A lot of crazy things happened in this session, but this one is something that we've never seen before. So here at Rigged AI, the white line you see right here, that's volume. So it opens at 180%, and then, it kind of falls off right here. About 9:45, 10:10, it looks like we're going to have an average day. But then you're looking at this, 10:10 to 10:40. This is a massive spike. Never really seen anything like that before, where you're going from 120% of average right back up to 180. And you can see a lot of the alerts right here. We'll talk about the alerts in a different section of this video. They get down, they try and bounce it. But what does this tell us? One, tradability, obviously, that we want to lock in and pay attention to this name. But 2, whatever direction it goes in, and you can see that right here, right? We want to follow the price action. Whatever direction this thing breaks, we want to chase it. Now, I released a video earlier about Wall Street's ping pong, bing bong strategy and what happens when we're chopping between 1 or 2 strikes. Nvidia, a lot more volatility than SPY or QQQ, so it's common to see a little bit of a bigger range. But look at this. Massive volume spike, and then we start this down move, right? So it's down move number 1, small swing, and we can trade the swing. If it's going to go, it's going to go. But this volume spike, we have to be looking at that, thinking whatever move happens, it's probably going to be the first one, and it's going to be massive. Absolutely massive. So the main part doesn't even happen until after 1300, right? And these are perfect alerts. That's a perfect tag. And then we just go straight to Goblin Town. They don't even stop it at 800. It just nukes. So what are we thinking? Well, there's a couple ways. One, we want to get back into this. I mean, these bears obviously made a lot of money. We traded them and exited about here because we got scared about the 800 bounce. Like, oh, they're going to fly this thing. It's Friday. It's Nvidia. It only goes up. It's going to 1,000. Well, not anymore. And that's markets. But look at this. We talk about ping pong. You get a chop right here, about 1210 to 1330, you know, bouncing between 805, almost back up to 815. And then we get the absolute perfect alerts. I mean, these right here are perfect. They follow this completely. Lock in, follow the price action, bears minus PS. Position score is negative. We want to follow the move, and boy, does it go. Not only that, but when we're looking at the white line, right, volume is spiking. It is still going up. And what does that tell us? Whatever direction the move is going in, we expect it to continue, especially as volume is increasing. So every step of the way down here, you know, we're going down 3 strikes, 785, whatever. We do not want to try and bounce it. Don't even think about it. I mean, volume, and you can see it right here, 200%. So you're looking at 200% right here, 1415, 1430. The bulls are going to try. But at 200% plus, the only thing we want to be interested in, chasing the move and holding on for as long as possible. And if you were good, you were smart, unlike some people possibly recording this video, you held on to that thing. Never seen anything like this volume spike right here, where we're already high and they just came right back. And it's perfect, right? When you have high volume like this, trend day or perfect tags, and on this one, you got both. Because when we go to the middle, right? This is the middle session. Everything from 1030 to 1300. What do you notice? Well, you know, it goes down another $20. But there's no alerts really compared to earlier. So what do we want to do? Well, we can exit right here. I mean, if you're holding bears, right? You're holding anything from here, we can exit. But we want to re-enter and copy Wall Street. And Wall Street gave us the perfect opportunity right here at 1330, 900% gains, buying and holding. It doesn't get better. It doesn't get easier. If you work the system on full send mode, will it always be this perfect? No. But when it is, like April 19th on Nvidia, I mean, it can change your life. One session. just amazing. Copy trading Wall Street, it's the only way to go. It doesn't matter what kind of things you're drawing on your chart, whatever. If you're not looking at option flow and seeing this come in, I mean, you could look at it yourself, you could try, but this is just easier. Because who can look at every single one of those trades and think, oh, I'm going to make a decision based off of it, blah, blah, blah. It's like, dude, those are 3 massive bears. Look at it. Nothing has come in. The tags have been excellent. Hey, let's chase it. Buy a contract or two. So let's review the entire session. Rigged Pro Trade Lord mode. 1023. You get the tradability, full send notification. That's about right here. And what you notice is we already have the down move, right? 1023 is there. We're looking at the down move, but we're also checking the white line, dude. Like, what kind of spike is that? That is insane. Because the first move is down, trend day, expectation. You know, if this bounces past the blue and starts rocketing up, it's possible this is a reversal. And this was just the fake out. Something to keep in mind. But we always lose small, right? So you can trade this, and we did, and we lost small on it, and that's okay, right? But then we want to follow the price action. And what happens after this? Well, we just start going down, right? We just start going down. If you buy this alert right here, I mean, maybe there's a small drawdown 10 minutes later. But after that, the rest of the day, it is never negative. Never. I mean, that's the same thing when we get to this point up here, right? So as a professional using this, we're taking this to about here. You know, we see some green. We see one little bull. We could try it, but you really want confirmation here. And as soon as we don't just rocket past 810, all we're looking for is getting back into anything that follows the price action. Right down here, right? Follow price action. And then you get it. And then it's never in drawdown. It's straight down. Can't imagine trading this without rigged. Because when you look at the system, if you learn the system, this is perfect. It doesn't get better. It doesn't get easier than full send mode. Because you're buying this and you're at 100% instantly. I mean, maybe 10 minutes. You can see all of these alerts free in our Discord after they hit 100%. But get a free account, Rigged AI, check it out. Will every session be like this? Absolutely not. But when it is, you win massively. And the biggest mistake you can make, that we make all the time, is selling a 100 or even a 200% gain that goes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dear Lord. It's rigged. Thank you all. More content coming. Have a great day wherever you are in the world watching this. We love you.